It's a lady in London here. Today I want to take you on my self-guided walk around London Bridge. This area is full of markets and great streets to explore and lots of riverside scenery. There's obviously London Bridge, but there's also Tower Bridge, Borough Market, Maltby Street Market, Vinegar Yard, Flatiron Square, and lots more. Bermondsey Street's a great place to explore too. I can't wait to show you around, but if you want to see the route and the map, you can go to my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and find all of it there.
This walk starts at London Bridge Station. You can arrive by tube, train, bus, or on foot from other parts of London and beyond. It's a great spot in the heart of the South Bank. From the station, you'll make your way up to London Bridge. Make sure you don't confuse it with Tower Bridge. A lot of people get the two mixed up. You'll get to Tower Bridge later in the walk though, so don't worry. There are great views of the Thames from London Bridge, so you can walk across if you want to before continuing your walk. From London Bridge, you'll make your way past Southwark Cathedral to get to Borough Market. The market is one of the most famous in London, and it's a great place to indulge your inner food lover. There are lots of stalls and restaurants around here, so it's a fun place to stop for a snack or a meal. From Borough Market, you'll walk down Borough High Street. If you walk on the east side of the street, you can peer into historic courtyards like the one hiding the George Inn. Your next stop is Union Street. There are some great coffee shops and pubs along here. For a detour, you can head down Red Cross Way and see the ribbons people have tied around a fence by a disused post-medieval burial ground where prostitutes were once buried. Soon you'll come to Flatiron Square. This market is a great place to sit and have a drink or a meal. It's fun to watch the world go by. From Flatiron Square, you'll come to Southwark High Street. This is a fun place to take in details and street art along the way. Soon you'll come to St. Thomas Street, where you'll pass by the old Operating Theatre Museum and see great views of the SHAD. Further along, you'll come to Vinegar Yard, a market full of vintage stalls and food vendors. It's another great place to stop for a browse or a drink. Your next stop is Bermondsey Street. This long road is packed with restaurants, cafes, shops, and pubs. It's a great place to wander and soak up the local scene. You'll find everything from the Fashion and Textile Museum to the White Cube Contemporary Art Gallery here, and there are parks like Tanner Street Park to relax in if you need a rest. Speaking of Tanner Street Park, you can walk through it to get to your next stop. Maltby Street Market is another great food market in London. It's set under railway arches, so it's in a unique location too. It's a great place to browse or buy, or just walk through and soak up the scene. From Maltby Street Market, you'll make your way up to SHAD Thames. There are a lot of great historic wharf buildings here, and you can take in the history of the South Bank as you go. Soon you'll find yourself on the Thames. There are great views of Tower Bridge here, and lots of fun restaurants along the way. A narrow passageway will take you back to SHAD Thames, where you can continue your walk until you get to City Hall. As you walk, you'll pass by Tower Bridge. You can go and take a tour if you want to, or continue your walk. Once you reach the squashed gumdrop-shaped City Hall, you'll be in the more London area. This place has great opportunities to sit and watch the world go by, or just walk around and take in the riverfront scenery. The HMS Belfast ship is around here too, so you can take a tour if you'd like to. Next, you'll come to Hayes Galleria, a covered shopping arcade with a striking sculpture in the middle. Once you exit Hayes Galleria, you'll be back in front of London Bridge Station where your walk ends.
Thanks for coming around on this London Bridge walk with me. I hope you've enjoyed seeing it, and I hope you can do it in person someday. Remember, you can find the full route and map on my blog, aladyinlondon.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Happy walking!